Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. This is Vlogmas Day 22. 3 more days to Christmas, y'all. We have gotten over the hump of the Vlogmas this year. Been very interesting Vlogmas. Go down in history, very interesting. That's the story for another day. So I'm going to get another video out here to y'all. Like I say, this is Vlogmas Day 22. And I'm going to show y'all an easy cake. Because y'all already see the preview picture and the title. Ginger cake, y'all. You don't need a mixer for this. Might need the mixer for the icing. But you don't have to put icing on. You can just dust it with powdered sugar. But I'm going to take it to the next level and put some icing. But the first thing I'm going to do, y'all, it's just all you doing is adding, just like you're making a muffin mix, y'all. You're going to add the dry, the wet to the dry. First thing I'm going to do, we're going to get the dry together here. I got some AP flour in here, y'all. If you don't use cake flour, you can. Not necessary. I got some baking soda, baking powder. In here, y'all, I got some cinnamon, cardium, and not cardium, I'm sorry. Not cardium, y'all. The cardium is totally different. Cloves and ginger. Ginger, cinnamon, and cloves. Not cardium. No, not put cardium in this. You will mess this cake up. So, I'm going to add that to that. I'm going to kind of mix this up together. You can smell that right here. It smells like holidays, y'all. It's like gingerbread, ginger, holidays. Absolutely amazing. Okay, we're going to set that over there to the side. We don't even need that anymore. Now we're going to get the wet together. Okay, I got some cane syrup here. Now you can use molasses. Most people use molasses if they make a ginger cake. Hey, I like my ribbon cane syrup. I think it takes it to the next level. Of course, if you don't have access to ribbon cane syrup, y'all, by all means, use molasses. Okay, now I got some hot water in here I want to do to melt this syrup. So that's the only way I'm going to get this syrup all mixed up together. Add some hot water to that. How smart was that, y'all? How smart was that, huh? Y'all probably say, Jeff, that ain't smart. Anybody would have thought of that, huh? Okay, I'm adding my granulated sugar to this because I want to add that to the warm soup to dissolve all that sugar in there, y'all. Let's throw our vanilla in here. How easy is this, y'all? Put my butter in here, melted butter. I'm telling y'all, this is the way to go. Now I'm going to whisk my eggs up just a little. Throw them in there. I'm making a mess here around my kitchen. Mix that up in there really, really good. Let me clean this here up. These eggs up here. Got all slung all over the place. Okay. How easy is that, y'all? How easy was that? Okay, now all I'm going to do, y'all, add this into the dry. Put my spoon here. And just mix this up, y'all. This is a cake you can make Christmas Eve. You need one more dessert. Christmas morning, you can throw this together. You don't have to wake nobody up with that noisy mixer. People be trying to sleep in Christmas morning. Some people party on Christmas night. They don't want to hear that mixer going early in the morning. Depending on how hard you party. Okay, let me get my whisk here and get these lumps out of here. Come on, Chef Jeffrey. Use your head, Chef Jeffrey. Okay. Alrighty. How easy is this, y'all? How easy is this? It's like making a muffin. Alrighty. Alright. Alright, y'all. Now, all I'm going to do, hold on just a second. Okay, I got a baking pan here. All this is about 9 by 13 baking pan. Like I say, I'm making this simple as I can, y'all. Just a second here, y'all. Bear with me here. Okay. We're going to pour it in our baking pan here. Make sure you spray it, y'all. Flour and butter it, however you want to do it. I use that baking spray, which is the best invention in the world. It has the flour and butter and all that already in it. Now, we're going to bake this in the oven about 40 minutes, y'all. 350 degrees. When we come back, I'm going to make a frosting for this. And to put on it, like I said, you don't have to put a frosting on it if you want to. But I'm going to put a frosting on it. Probably do some regular buttercream. Nothing fancy. You ain't got to go buy no. You can put cream cheese icing too. But we're going to keep it simple. Like I say, Christmas Eve morning, or Christmas Day morning, you want a nice late dessert to add to your Christmas table, this is it. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. We just took the cake out of the oven, and we're going to let this cool absolutely completely, y'all. And when we come back, I'm going to make some frosting for this. I'll probably just do buttercream. Just do some butter and powdered sugar, put a little milk in it, fluff it up. You can put cream cheese icing on here. You can just dust it with powdered sugar, or you can just do it like this. Now, to remind y'all, this is a dense cake, meaning it's heavy. Because of course, if you can put molasses in it, I'm going to put, on the recipe, I'm going to put molasses or ribbon cane syrup. That's what makes it so dense. But it's absolutely moist. I know that's hard to explain, like how is it dense and how is it moist? Trust me, I made this so many times, y'all. Because a quick, easy cake for the holidays, this is a go-to right here. So don't, when it come out the oven, oh, it's a dense cake. And you don't have to do it. You want to do a bundt cake, you want to do cupcakes, however you want to do it. Like I say, this, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it and the easy way to frost this. Why do a bundt cake where you got to do the little fancy frosting? Why do a cupcake when you got to do individual frosting? Put you in a 9 by 13, y'all, and throw it in there, throw it in the oven, get you some frosting, and just spread on top or some powdered sugar, and just make it easy on yourself during the holidays. I know you got other stuff going, other stuff to cook, family members, relatives, neighbors over at your house. You got one of them neighbors over in the corner, 2 of them over there acting crazy over a game of dominoes. You got to go over there and see what's happening and drama. So you know who I'm talking about. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back, and we're going to get this frosting going. And by the time that get finished, this cake will be done cool, and we can slather that frosting on there, and I'm going to show you how awesome and delicious this cake is. Vlogmas Day 22, almost finished. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. I got the cake cooling over there. I'm running my mouth. Look at my butter, y'all. My soft butter. It doesn't matter, but it almost pretty much done melted. But that's no big deal, y'all. We just making a quick icing for this. Nothing fancy. Put some powdered sugar in here. Let's see how much I'm gonna put, y'all. I'm just winging this here. Just a little frosting here. A little vanilla in there, y'all. Some more powdered sugar. Bit more powdered sugar. Y'all already know I love a lot of frosting on the cake. Some people say, oh, that's too much frosting. With me, I tell you like this. Never too much frosting with me, but if it's too much, I do like some friends of mine and some co-workers used to do it. Too much frosting, they scrape it off and keep moving. That's the way you do it. Put a little milk in there. There you go. Definitely trying to whip some air in this, y'all. Definitely trying to whip a little air up in here, but I think I need a little bit more milk in here. Y'all already know with the milk thing, or the liquid, there's a thin line before too much or not a little. See what we got here. Let's see. Let me check my consistency on it. I think I need a little bit more milk. Not even a teaspoon, y'all. I think that's it, y'all. Let's check it out. What y'all think? What y'all think here? Oh yeah, that's perfect. I don't want a glaze. Like I say, I want a frosting here or icing. Yeah, that's it, y'all. See that? That'll glaze on that cake just perfectly. There we go. Good old buttercream right there. Like I say, you can use a cream cheese icing. You can make a cream cheese icing, y'all. Or you can just do the drizzle glaze. Or you can use powdered sugar. However you want it. It's up to you. So, anyway, y'all, I'm going to step off. Let this cake finish cooling. Come back. We'll frost this thing. And then we're going to taste it. Old school Vlogmas Day 22, y'all. Almost finished. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. The cake's cool enough here. Or we can kind of frost this cake right here. You know, a little frosting I made there. Like I say, y'all, this is nothing. Just throw a little frosting on here, y'all. Nothing fancy. Buttercream there. This is boring to a lot of people sitting here watching me put frosting on the cake, but it is what it is. Okay. Like I say, y'all, you don't have to put any if you don't want to. You can just put some little powdered sugar on there and call it a day. But making a little buttercream is not hard. Like I say, just make it hot. That's why I put it in the pan, y'all, because it's so easy. You just put a little frosting on there like that. Nothing fancy. Make sure you get all this off of here. Get all that off of there. Okay. Now, I'm going to step off. See how easy that is. And also what you can do, y'all, I'll make it a little fancy. You can put the little swirly swirls in there if you want. Just gotta do your little swirls like I do sometimes. Play with it like that. Play around, and like I say, don't have to be fancy. And one thing you can do too, hold on, y'all. Get your little ginger. Sprinkle your little ginger. Put a little ginger on top of that. See that? It's a ginger cake, so I put your little ginger, sprinkle a little ginger on top of that. Okay, we're gonna step off here, y'all. And we're gonna cut a little piece here. I'm gonna come back here and prove to y'all how good it is and how moist it is. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. And y'all know I had to cut me that corner piece. Look at that. I got the little ginger on there, a little there. I had to cut that little corner piece. That's my crunchy. I like that little crunch in the cake when I eat it. Some people don't, some people do. But I like that. So let's get into this, y'all. You can see how moist this is. Anyway, look at this. Close up right in the camera, y'all. Look at that. First bite there. Let's go in here. Moist test. Look at that. Yeah. Nope. No mixer required on this, y'all. Can't go wrong. Tastes like Christmas, y'all. Tastes like the holiday. One more cake. One more bite. I tell you, molasses or cane syrup, it makes it dense, but it's not dry. There's a big difference in cake being dense and dry. This is dense and moist. It's so simple and easy. Like I told y'all, Christmas morning, you got one more dessert you need to make. I guarantee you got everything in your house for this cake. Some people might not have ginger cloves, but if you've been baking through the last couple of months, ginger and cloves, you pretty much should have it already anyway. It's just something you don't have to go to the store and get. Like the majority of my recipes. But anyway, let me close this video. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Vlogmas Day 22 is done.